Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to go live on Facebook. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, got to open up the Facebook app. Now, got to tap on the plus sign right here at the very top. And as you can see, we have the live feature available. So just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and make sure that your account is a professional profile and must have at least 100 followers. Okay. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and log into a different account right here, just for you to see. And as you can see here, this account is a professional account. Now, to go live, just go ahead over to your home section and just tap on the plus sign again and tap on live. All right, tap on allow right here while using the app, just like so. And then once that's done, finally, you can now go ahead and tap on go live. All right, you can add in flash or mute your mic, rotate the camera, use stickers, and some other option. Add in a text if you want to, and adjust the audience. Could be public, friends only, or only you. Okay, I'm just going to use only me right here. Tap on save, wait for it to load. Once it loads, share this to your story, on or off. Okay, done. Add a description, sample live. Done, go live. All right. Just wait for it to load, and then once it loads, as you can see here, we are now live. You can add in collaborators right here at the bottom. Tap on request. Allow the audience to ask to participate in your broadcast. Enable it. If someone requests, okay, you can accept it from here. All right. Your analytics right here and the comments as well. You can copy the link and share it to whoever you want. And then once you're done with your live, you just tap on finish. As you can see here, it's ending. Just wait for the process to finish. And then after that, you're good to go. All right, that is how you go live on Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.